Here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be announcing the winners to my 11,000 plus subscriber challenge giveaway. Yay! Thank you so much for every single person that participated. I am overwhelmed with the number of entries that I received. I had no idea I was going to receive so many entries from so many awesome ladies. So big thank you to all of you. Big tight hugs to all of you that sent in an entry and created something for this challenge. There were several of you that were first timers that had never even participated, and then there were other crafters that were more seasoned that participated. And I have to tell you, each entry was unique. There was not one entry that was exactly the same. So that is just totally amazing. And there are so many creative, talented ladies here on YouTube, on Instagram, just subscribers, people that love to craft, just amazing. So I do want to encourage you guys to go back and look at those challenge entry videos and be inspired. I'm telling you, there were just so many cute entries. I am inspired. I learned about new products. I have gotten some ideas. I found out about some new companies that I wasn't aware of. So yes, so just thank you so much, everybody. I truly appreciate it. And just thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you just for everything. I am so happy that I can inspire others. When I first started this YouTube channel, my intentions were not to have thousands and thousands of subscribers. My true intentions were to just share what I was creating and hopefully inspire you to create and give you ideas to create, and that is it. And I am just so blessed and so thankful for each and every one of you that that are subscribed to me. I truly appreciate it. I love and thank you all for the support. And what I'm gonna do is, these are the memory dex cards that you're looking at that I received, every single one of them. And eventually I'm going to create a box or have some type of display for the memory dex cards, and in a later video I will share with you what they what it looks like. But these are all of the ones that I did receive, each one absolutely amazing, by the way. Okay, and what else was I going to say? If you sent me a memory dex card and you do not win a prize today, what I'm gonna do is everyone that has sent me a memory dex card, over the next few months, I'm gonna do a drawing from the names of the ladies that entered this challenge. So once a month I'll do a drawing and you'll be eligible for a prize from me. I don't know what it will be, but it will be a prize and probably a handmade card or just something personal from me as a thank you. Of course, I'd like to thank every single one of you guys and send everybody a prize, but I know that's unrealistic. But that is going to be my way of giving back and saying thank you, is to do a monthly drawing from this box of memory dex cards. So just be on the lookout and stay tuned for more information on that. And without further ado, I am going to go ahead and announce the winners, and I'm going to go over the sponsors with you one more time. And please, if you are a winner, contact me and email me your mailing address. I know that they're on the backs of these memory dex cards, but it would make it really easy for me if you could just shoot me an email with your address. And that way I can get your prize out to you, and the sponsors that are mailing prizes out, they can get those items shipped to you as well. All right, so thank you so much, and without further ado, let's get the winners picked.